Hey everybody, let's make us up some cough syrup. So this is what day is it, Jace? 10? 12, day 12 of January. Actually, this one will be day 11 because I played in the snow. But we're going to make a cough syrup and it'll be ready just as soon. You just give it a little time in the refrigerator and it'll be ready to use ASAP. You take a half a cup of water and a cup of honey. Got my wooden spoon. I was told when I used my metal, messed the honey up. Did not know that. So I thank everybody for giving me that little tip. Metal kills the properties in the honey. Okay, so we got a cup of honey. Whew. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano. In there, sticking, and we're going to add ginger root that's finely, it's thinly sliced, and I just dice mine up and kind of make it smaller so that it'll soak and get good, and coated real good and all the juices. And here's our dash of cayenne pepper. That cayenne pepper has so many good properties and good health benefits. So then you add 2 whole lemons. I dropped this one in my oregano when I was slicing it up. So we're going to add these lemons. These lemons, and I'm going to kind of mush it around a little bit, stir it up, and get them lemons soaked down in there. Ooh, I splashed myself in the face. Get all this stuff mixed up real good. Of course, when I put the lid on it, I'll shake it some, but I like to use my spoon a little bit. Make sure everything's sunk down real good. And then I like to add a cinnamon stick down to it. Shake it up, and there you have cough syrup. You just put it in the refrigerator, and when you need a teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever, just get you some and it'll help with the cough. If you have any questions, just ask me, and you know what's in it.